Aftermarket bumpers are a beneficial upgrade for any truck, no matter the make or model. From full grille coverage to even just a beefier upgrade. In this video, I'm not only going to show you how to upgrade your stock bumper, but how to build it yourself. Obviously, our first step is to get your bumper unboxed. Move uses a spray foam to ensure the parts don't move around inside the box. I will warn you, it's a pain to get open. Once you've conquered the foam, exchange some choice words, I like to lay out all the pieces to get an idea of where they go. They do send instructions, but let's be real. 98% of my viewers are men, and we don't use those. Look at the nice pictures and go from there. To start with the removal of your stock bumper, remove your tag bolts because you're going to want your tag at the minimum. Then pop off your tag lights or break them, like me, the choice is yours. Then on my truck I have 2 nuts on each side holding my bumper on. After those are removed, you just have some wire clips to take off and you're ready to pull the bumper off.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain.
And at this point, we have the bumper fully tacked together. The mounts are tacked and every additional piece on it is tacked. It is all held together now. Now what you want to do is unbolt this, put it somewhere and finish weld it. Now with finish welding, you only want to weld one area at a time or else you can warp it. So say you'll start here, weld to here, and then you can do that on this side. You want to do that all the way around, fluctuate from one side to the other. Don't just fully weld one side and work your way to the other, because you can warp the bumper. Let's go ahead and get this pulled off the truck and start finish welding it.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets.
Well guys, This is the part of the video where life is real, things happen. I'm out of welding wire, so catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the next day. We've got the bumper fully welded up. I went ahead and picked up some wire from Lowe's yesterday, and I went through and I did some tack spots on the back side of the bumper, just little 2 to 3 inch long welds. You don't have to fully weld the back side. You fully welded the front. We're going to sand the front smooth, and then we're going to start preparing it for paint. Now in this video, I'm not going to be painting it. That will be a future video, so if you guys are interested, click that subscribe button and stay tuned for the future. But I will show you guys how to sand this down and everything like that, and then you can choose whatever preference you want as for color wise. If you would like to powder coat it, bed line it, paint it, whatever, that choice is yours. That's the awesome thing about Move bumpers, is they're fully customizable to you. And just like that, we have the bumper all sanded down. In total, this took me about, I'd say, 2.5 to 3 hours to fully sand the front of this down. Now, there are some places that I just can't get with the grinder, and unfortunately, I don't own a Dremel, so it'll just have to stay like this. With some high build primer and sanding the primer down, I'll be able to cover up, I'd say, about 75% of it. Some of it you still will be able to see, but this is a bumper going on my work truck, so I'm not entirely too concerned with it. If this was a full-blown show truck, SEMA truck, anything of that sort, obviously I would go buy a Dremel, sand this down. But this is a work truck. I know for a fact this paint is going to get scratched. It is not going to stay perfect, so I'm not really too worried about it. Those areas I'm talking about is right here in this corner. As you can tell, there's still unsanded weld right there, and the same in this corner. Now, this is the end of this video. At the very end, I will throw in some B-roll once the bumper is all painted up and back on the truck. But until then, I'm going to end it off here. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go down, hit the subscribe button. If you're not interested in subscribing, I ask that you go check out my other videos. I upload all types of DIY content that I do myself, from welding, powder coating, painting, wrapping, you name it. I do it all myself, and I like to show you guys that, you know, you can do it at home as well. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like on it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.